A heart attack doesn't care what you eat. I heard that on a commercial on TV the other day. Didn't hear any of the rest of it, but I could pretty much imagine where that commercial was going. A heart attack doesn't care what you eat, so go ahead and eat whatever you want. We got some drugs to make sure you don't die, or you'll have other symptoms instead. A heart attack doesn't care what you eat. What does that even mean? What is a heart attack? Well, that's something that we got. That's something that happened to us. It's an effect. So, does an effect care about what caused it? Of course it does. You bet a heart attack cares what you eat. What a stupid statement to make you think you don't have any responsibility to take in the matter. That you don't have any role in creating that problem. Especially with heart disease. My gosh, I remember when the soldiers came back from the Vietnam War. These young 18, 19-year-old boys, young men, who sacrificed their life in vain. They came back and they did autopsies and they already found the beginning of heart disease in their blood vessels. The plaque was already beginning. And you know, we see the same thing now with little children when they do autopsies on little toddlers even, a couple years old. And they already have the beginnings of heart disease at that age. A heart attack has everything to do with what you eat. Don't get sucked into these absurd commercials that are telling you what you want to hear. It's not your fault. It's a medical condition. Don't blame the greasy fries. Blame biology. It's an inappropriate signal. That's not true. Just because our so-called experts don't know the cause doesn't mean we can't figure it out. And there's really only one way to make sense out of all of the references that have been shoved into our brain. That's to have a brand new reference. That's when you take a solid food vacation. I guarantee you, my friends, if you have any heart problems, your heart wants a rest. It wants a solid food vacation. Just the absence of all that pressure of digesting food will make a huge difference for so many of you sufferers. Heart disease is a very simple condition to prevent and reverse. But it requires you to think outside the box and do something you've never done before. And I can guarantee you, when you can get outside that box and do something you've never done before, you're in for a treat.